We have the Hello Elementor theme and the required plugins. Namely the Elementor plugin and the ACF plugin. Now let's create a sample field. Set the field group name. Add a text area field named Special Quote. By default, the field will be used in posts. Save it. Next, we need a plugin to display the ACF variable. We're going to use WPCode, which is one of the popular plugins. Let's set up the snippet now. Click on Add New to add a snippet and give it a name. Switch the code type to PHP. Add the code to display the field. For this, we'll use an H2 element. Save it. Remember to update the snippet and activate it. Set the location to page specific and insert after post. Remember to update the snippet and activate it. Now go to a post and add an example of special quote. If you preview the post now, you can see the quote you typed inside the post. Please note that the quote is displayed right after the content and before the start of comments. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please comment your questions. I will help my best.